I often hear potters say, use as little water as possible when throwing. I also see students struggle with way too little water on the basis of this advice. So I'm going to experiment with varying amounts of water when throwing. I'll test 3 scenarios: no water, lots of water, and a little water. Here goes with no water. So the clay is stuck down, and I'm going to start centering with no water. And the clay is heating up quite quickly, and some of the clay is sticking to my hands. This is not much fun. The clay is heating up, there's a lot of friction, and oops, there's just too much friction. Now for lots of water. I sometimes see people emptying handfuls of water into their pot. Too much water can oversaturate parts of the pot. This can cause the walls of the pot to become weak and your pot to collapse. It's also really important to remove any excess water at the bottom of your pot with a sponge. I'm taking a look at the inside of the pot here. So here I can actually see that the pot is oversaturated around the base. Using just enough water. Use the amount of water you need to throw efficiently. Here you see me wetting my fingers. I'm not pouring water onto the clay. The clay is sliding under my fingers, no friction. And I'm only getting water when I feel my hands are getting dry. So don't make it hard on yourself. You don't want to self-combust by using too little water. On the other hand, you also don't want to drown your pot, making it weak and susceptible to uneven drying. Use enough water to allow the clay to slip under your fingers without friction. Try using a piece of chamois or a sponge. As you build your skills, you can experiment with using less and less water, and at some time you'll hit the sweet spot. Some clay might need more water. Porcelain used to be my main clay, and I found it needed more water. So learn how to throw efficiently and use just as much water as you need. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe. It'll be much appreciated. And as always, like and comment below, and happy potting!